Hello explorers, adventurers and nature lovers. Welcome back to our channel. We are your trusted companion when it comes to picking the best equipment for your next camping trip. Today we are excited to unveil our top 5 picks for the most effective, innovative and practical portable camping gear currently available on the market. Each one a bestseller in its category. Our selection are based on durability, portability, user reviews and functionality because when it comes to camping, the quality of your gear can make or break your adventure. The first item on our list is the Coleman portable Butane stove with carrying case. This compact yet powerful stove is an outdoor cooking game changer. The design is simple and easy to operate. With an 8000 BTU burner, it offers a consistent performance even in extreme conditions. A self-ignition system adds convenience and the integrated safety lock ensures peace of mind. The stove fits neatly into the included carrying case, allowing for easy transportation. A durable piece of gear that will become an essential part of your camping setup. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Securing the second spot is the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Hydration is non-negotiable when you are in the wild, and the LifeStraw has revolutionized access to clean water. This ingenious device can filter up to 1000 gallons or 4000 liters of contaminated water, removing a minimum 99.999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites. At only 2 ounces or 57 grams, it's compact and highly portable. And for every LifeStraw product purchased, a school child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. So you're not just investing in your safety, but also contributing to a noble cause. Our third choice is the Anker Solar Power Bank. Charging your devices can be challenging when camping, but the Anker Solar Power Bank is a solution. Harness the power of the sun to keep your devices charged with this eco-friendly, reliable solar charger. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, it can charge an average smartphone up to 3 times. It is IPX4 rated for dust and splash resistant and comes with a built-in flash which can be handy in emergency situations. Its compact size and carabiner make it easy to attach to your backpack, ensuring you have power wherever you go. Therm-a-Rest Lite Salt Ultralight Foam Backpacking Mattress. Coming up fourth is the Therm-a-Rest Lite Salt Ultralight Foam Backpacking Mattress. A good night's sleep is crucial in the great outdoors, and this backpacking mattress is designed to provide just that. It offers excellent insulation due to its closed-cell foam structure and innovation thermocapture coating, which reflects radiant heat, amplifying warmth by 20%. Weighing less than a pound, it's a favorite amongst ultralight backpackers and can double as a sit pad. The folding design allows for easy storage in your backpack, making this mattress a well-rounded piece of camping gear. The final item we recommend is the YETI Roadie 24 cooler. Known for their superior cooling capabilities, YETI coolers are lovely by outdoor enthusiasts worldwide, and the Roadie 24 is no exception. It boasts impressive ice retention thanks to its permafrost insulation and an extra thick fat wall design. Despite its compact size, it can hold 18 cans and 24 pounds of ice. It's lighter and even more robust than its predecessor. Plus, its slim design means it takes up less space, leaving you more room for other essential gear. There you have it folks, our carefully curated list of the top 5 portable camping gear from Amazon. Each product has proven its worth in the field, promising quality, efficiency and satisfaction. Remember, when you are out in the wild, the gear you carry is not just for convenience, it's for survival. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert advice and gear reviews. Here's to making your next outdoor adventure the best one yet.